Hello, my name is Sophia Henry, and I'm a student at George Mason University, and I'm going to talk about what is ABA. So, what is ABA? ABA stands for Applied Behavior Analysis. So you might be thinking, well, that still doesn't tell me what ABA is. So we're going to go into the 7 dimensions of ABA. So first you have applied. And these are the goals and interventions that are selected because they're socially significant to the individual and the family. Then we have behavior. These are the target behaviors that must be observable and measurable. Then we have analytic. These are decisions and interventions that are based on data that was collected. One thing you know about ABA is we are a very data-driven therapy base. So that is basically what the A, the B, and the A stands for in applied behavior analysis. Then we go on to technological. These are procedures and strategies that are described clearly and concisely so that others can implement them accurately. So if I implement a procedure, I need to write it very clear so that if somebody comes behind me, they will be able to do exactly what it says. Conceptually and symptomatic. Procedures are described in terms relevant to ABA principles demonstrated in the literature. For example, positive reinforcement, prompting, shaping, etc. Generality. These are positive behavior changes in learned skills and maintained over time and can be demonstrated in different environmental settings with different people and under a variety of contexts. So basically what this means is, let's say I show a child a picture of a car and they say car. Then we go outside and we see a car drive down the street and I ask them what was that. They should be able to say that is a car. So they are able to identify car in different settings, different environments, and a variety of contexts. Then you have effective. These are interventions that are monitored to evaluate the effectiveness of the strategy. So if we implement interventions that are not working, then we need to do something else. We are not going to continue to do something that is not working for the client. So the benefits of ABA is, one of the many benefits is social skills. So ABA therapy can help children make friends by teaching them social skills. Many children with autism are lacking in social skills and it's hard for them to make friends. But with ABA therapy, we can teach them those social skills. We also can teach independence. So ABA therapy can teach children to be independent by teaching problem-solving skills. ABA therapy also teach the basic skills to allow children to be independent, like toileting, brushing their teeth, and eating. Then we have parent training. Not only do ABA therapy help the client, we also help the parent and the family. ABA therapy teaches the parent how to interact with their child and teach their child. Parenting a child with autism or any special disability can be very difficult. However, ABA therapists are there to help you parent more effectively. And in the end, I have a few takeaways. ABA only uses evidence-based practices backed by scientific research. The goal of ABA is to increase behaviors that are helpful and decrease behaviors that are harmful or affect the learning. ABA is flexible and can adapt to meet the needs of each unique individual. The end.